6:24 this morning, the I-Team investigating a controversial cosmetic product that other countries have banned.
It is called the hyaluron pen, and it promises to plump lips and smooth out fine lines on the face. As consumer investigator Kristen Byrne reports, a warning from the Food and Drug Administration has not been enough to scare off users.
People who use them tell me a big appeal of these hyaluron pens is that they're needle-free. They use high pressure to force filler into the skin. But some health professionals are sounding the alarm, saying this handheld device is dangerous.
A video posted by a nurse practitioner on TikTok shows how the hyaluron pen works versus a dermal filler with a needle.
I really liked it. I have not had any side effects. I did not have any problems with it.
Ashley is happy with her hyaluron results. She posted success stories with the product on social media, before and after pics showing plumper lips.
The most beautiful part of it all is that my lips didn't go down.
For her, the cost is also a plus. The beauty business she went to in California charges about $250 for the procedure. Online, you can find even cheaper prices for the pen and filler. Compare that to needle injections. According to dermcollective.com, most dermal fillers range in price between about $600 and $1,000 per syringe.
Started seeing images on social media, and I'm like, wait a minute, this isn't right.
Registered nurse Kathy Mortal with Boness Body and Face Medispa in Brookfield is one of many healthcare professionals speaking up about why they believe the pen is not safe.
When you're doing these pens, it's coming from a foreign country and you don't know what it is. It's dangerous because it's in the hands of people that don't have the education, the knowledge, the anatomy, the proper training.
The pens are not approved by the FDA. Back in January, Mortal complained to the federal agency, pleading for something to be done. And on October 8th, the FDA issued a warning to the public and healthcare professionals not to use needle-free devices for injection of dermal fillers, and listed the pen by name, stating it's aware of serious injuries and, in some cases, permanent harm to the skin, lips, or eyes with the use of them.
What do you think of that warning?
I don't, to be honest, I didn't even hear about the warning. I feel what they might be saying is everything that you put in your body that's not natural and foreign, it comes with risks. That's completely normal.
Ashley felt safe having a specialist use the pen on her. She plans on going back for more treatments.
I do feel that maybe people are going a little overboard with it.
Mortal has decades of training in the healthcare field. For her, the fact that anyone can use this tool capable of extremely high pressure without any training or license is probably the scariest part.
If the derma filler or if this substance does get into a vein or an artery, it can block the flow of blood, and you can have tissue necrosis. You can have very large nodules, uneven, disfiguring. This is a very dangerous device.
Kathy Mortal told us she has fixed a couple of botched cases where the client used a hyaluron pen on their lips. She was able to dissolve their filler, and the clients didn't have any permanent damage. Her fear, though, is others won't be so lucky. I'm consumer investigator Kristen Byrne.